Brady, what are you doing, buddy? Hey, you want something? He's gonna flip. Probably thinks it's lost. Oh, but he'd be wrong. Brady. Kind of deep. Grab it, kiddo. Come on. Yeah, drop it. Drop it. Ready? Ready? Hey, look, his tail makes a little tail angel. Poor guy. Oh. Hey, let's try it in the driveway. Come on, bring it here. Bring it here, kid. Bring it here. Come on. It's okay. Bring it here. Good boy. Drop it. No, Brady, this way. This way. Ready? Ready? Hey, Brady, this way. Can he even get it? Yes, he can. I'm gonna take him for a walk. I just want to show you how nice the snow is. Good boy. Come here, buddy. Good boy. Hey, sit. Brady, sit. Sit. Good boy. Shake it off. Sit. Speak. Good boy.